In this video, I will guide you how you can add USDT Tether in Metamask. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Metamask wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then click on Import Tokens and click on Custom Tokens on the top right. Now the next step is you need to open up any browser that you are using and simply search for USDT contract address Metamask. Now once you search for this, make sure to go for the Ether scan. Once you are in, you're just gonna need to make sure to copy the contract address on the top, and after copying the address you can then go back to your token contract address and paste your address, then click on the next on the bottom. This is automatically going to fulfill your token symbol and token decimals. Then click on import again. After that, as you can see, we have successfully imported our token into our MetaMask, which is in this case ERC-20 USDT. So we can click on it and then we can send or receive at the same time, but always make sure to go with a smaller amount, and then once you have received you can go with a larger amount. Hope this helped. This is how you can add USDT Tether in MetaMask.